Hello guys, what's going on? This is not a review, this is just an unboxing and first impressions. So don't click that dislike button, guys. This is the Poco X3. You could say mid-range or budget depending how much $200 is for you. But I got this for $200 and for that we get amazing specs. We get 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, but there's also 128 gigs if you want. Snapdragon 732, which didn't even know that existed. 120 hertz and great cameras, you know, looks like a steel, right? Like even the box is attractive, look at that. So we get a pretty big battery as well, and here are our main specs, all for $200. Okay, nice. I mean, of course the back is plastic, but it doesn't feel like the cheap kind of plastic. It feels actually pretty good in the hand. Got this giant Poco branding, which when I first saw it, I was like, damn, this is going to be pretty ugly. But now that I look at it, it's actually not that bad. I actually have a kind of a rainbow effect as well. And the camera model looks interesting too. And here in this second box, we have manuals and a case. Let's see what kind of case this is. All right, so we get like a typical TPU case. Oops. So clear TPU case. Would have been nice if it was like smoked black, like some companies are trying to do now. And down here we just have our charging pick, and oh wow, this is a huge one. Has some weight to it as well. So yes, this is our 27 watt charger. So yeah, pretty fast charging. I remember I had 30 watts on the OnePlus 7 Pro. It was pretty quick. It was extremely fast. So this is our power button. It doubles as a fingerprint sensor. We're just gonna power it on. Would have been nice if this was an OLED, but this is a budget phone, so it's understandable that they went with LCD. But first impressions, yeah, it's not the best display, but it's not the worst either. It's pretty good. And right now it's not. I'm gonna have to look at some pictures, but damn, those bezels like over here look pretty good. So yeah, we don't have much of a chin. Yeah, pretty decent design. This is our fingerprint unlock. First we choose our backup option, and this is one of the things I don't like about MIUI. You have to like, there's like a timer every time you get a message, and for the noobs, I mean, sure, that message makes sense because it makes people think twice, but for people like me, just annoying. All right, here we go. So it's just like any other side fingerprint sensor. You just do it like that, and almost, and there we go. Nope. I just move like that. The phone is finally all set up, and that 120 hertz does look great. I'm sorry you guys can't see it, but oh, what's this? Have an app drawer now? Huh. Finally, MIUI has an app drawer. Look at that. I have a bunch of bloatware, but that's to be expected. This is the global version, by the way. Let's test out the fingerprint sensor. 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice and reliable. So yeah, let's take a selfie real quick. Oh, that came out blurry, or did it? Okay, there's like a face beauty mode going on. Okay, yeah, let's just clear. There are no beauty effects. I really hate those beauty effects. All right. All right. Not my best selfie. Look pretty ugly here, but anyway, you got detail. Lighting looks good, but full reviews coming in a few days, so don't click into this like, oh, do your research before, oh, it's not enough information. So yeah, guys, don't be like that. Alright, I will see you in the full review. Peace.